Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikayla and today I have 3 pita lunch ideas for you. The first one is a cucumber pita sandwich, then we have a Mexican pita pizza, and lastly an avocado BLT pita. Along with the pitas, I might serve this with some veggies and dip, chips and salsa, or some fruit just to make it a little bit more filling. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. For the cucumber pita, all you're going to need is a pita, cucumber, slice of cheese, I have American today, and a dressing of your choice. I'm going to cut the pita in half. Now you can see we have our inner pocket. I'm going to take the slice of cheese and fold it diagonally. Now when it breaks, we have 2 triangles. Go ahead and place it into the pita. I have peeled and sliced some cucumber. I'm just going to go ahead and layer them into my pita now. Let's go ahead and add the dressing. I usually will alternate between ranch and Italian. I will say though that the creamier dressings will stay in a bit better. If you have something really liquidy like Italian, it'll find those holes at the bottom of the pita and might escape a bit. There you have an easy pita sandwich. For a Mexican pita pizza, I have a pita, Mexican blend cheese, and some salsa. You could also make this Italian and do just regular pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and spread the salsa. Cheese. I'm going to put it in my toaster. Alternatively, you could melt the cheese in the microwave instead. I had this in the toaster for about 2.5 minutes. Super quick, easy pizza. For the avocado BLT pita, you're going to need the pita, bacon, hummus, tomato, lettuce, and avocado. You want the avocado to be a deep green or actually turning a little bit blackish, and you want to have it feel soft to the touch to know that it's ripe. First, I'll turn my pan onto a medium heat. I have it on number 4. I'm going to add 4 strips of bacon. Now that I have the bacon layered out, I will go ahead and put the lid on. I usually cook bacon for around 10 minutes, so I'll probably have it here for 4 minutes, then flip it another couple of times before it's done. I've gone ahead and sliced my pita in half. Now I'm going to slice the tomato and get the avocado ready. So I just put the pita bread in the toaster. I'm not actually going to turn it on until my bacon is done. I'm just going to get it there so that's ready to go, and I'll just do it for a minute or so to warm it up, not to get it too crispy. Okay, I'm going to flip the bacon now. Okay, so I've taken the pita out of the toaster oven. It was just in there for 2 minutes. Now that everything's ready, I'm going to start compiling the sandwich. So I'm going to start with the hummus. Alternatively, you could use mayonnaise instead of hummus here. is the finished avocado BLT pita. I enjoy making BLTs in pitas because I feel like whenever I make them on regular toast, my tomatoes are always popping out the sides, so this is just a nice way to keep it all together. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed learning the pita recipes in this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one you're most looking forward to trying. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any other recipes, make sure you subscribe. Next week I'll do some easy dinner sides.